I will never see a power grid the same way after learning how $50 billion in switchgear keeps the world running. Ever wondered what's making our grids smarter and more resilient? Medium voltage switchgear handling 1 to 36 kV forms the backbone of our global power infrastructure. In 2024, this market hit a staggering $49 billion with growth projected at nearly 7% annually. What's fueling this? Urbanization, relentless industrial expansion, and the global push for renewable energy. Smart grids and digital switchgear like IoT, AI, and remote monitoring are taking center stage. Asia-Pacific leads, commanding almost half the market and the fastest growth. North America is modernizing grids while Europe races ahead on smart technologies. Latin America and the Middle East are catching up, driven by renewables and infrastructure investment. Competitive landscape, our air-insulated switchgear dominates with circuit breakers as the largest component. Utilities and power generation account for over 40% of demand. By 2032, expect a $100 billion market transformed by digitalization and next-gen grid tech. Visit our website, www.verifiedmarketresearch.com. Connect with us at inquiries@verifiedmarketresearch.com.